Hey bears, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you top 5 costumes you could possibly make from your closet. Okay, go. She never likes being on camera. I will be ranking these from 5 to 1, 5 being the hardest and 1 being the easiest. Stay tuned to find out which costume is number 1, aka the easiest to make. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, Audrey Hepburn, the icon. You will need a black top, and I added a black jacket, but you don't need to. I also added a black skirt. Layer up on pearls, also pearl earrings. Any type of dark sunglasses will do, along with a tiara. I know I have black long sleeve gloves in here somewhere. Yes, here they are. Here it is, Audrey Hepburn.
Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur.
Why are you looking at me that way?
All night long I've had the most terrible impulse to do something.
Adorable. Coming in at number 4, Cinderella. I happen to have a little blue pink dress. Did I just say? Blue pink dress, okay. I happen to have a blue dress, so I thought this would be perfect for the occasion. Along with your blue dress, you will need white gloves. And of course, a beautiful crown. Oh, and don't forget to add a black choker. I almost forgot. I know my gloves aren't long all the way to the elbow, but these are the only ones I had. If the shoe fits! Number 3, a schoolgirl. You will need a white top with a plaid skirt and a tie. They don't have to match, so be creative. And it doesn't even need to be that plaid schoolgirl kind of print. It could be just a regular skirt, and if you want to pull off the costume even more, I highly suggest holding a notebook and pen. Excuse me, what's the answer to 1 + 1? Oh, I thought it was 3. Number 2. This one might be a big surprise because it's actually really, really easy. All you need is a robe. That's literally all you need, preferably a silk robe. And why not be a Victoria's Secret model? After you pick out the robe of your choice, you can wear any type of bralette. Personally, I like glam, so that's why I chose my sequins top. That one might not be the most appropriate for everybody, but it's cute and it's simple and it's easy. Number 1, I feel like this is probably the easiest, a cheetah, or even, let's just say, a kitty. I love cats. Bears and cats are my favorite animals. For this costume, I chose my cheetah top, along with a black skirt. I pieced it together with cheetah ears and a cheetah choker. I guess I can add a cheetah scrunchie. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it, and I never feel sorry, yeah, to the world. This is me, I'm so royal, So whatever ears you have, just make that the costume. And that was it. As simple as that. Top 5 costumes from my closet, and you probably own some of those items as well. So I hope this video helped you out tremendously. The Cheetah Girls. Follow my Instagram and TikTok at ToriVOfficial. Give a thumbs up to this video and comment what you are gonna be for Halloween. That's it, Tori V. Holla at me. Bye bye, bears. Mwah.